Hi, today I will show you how to make a character from the framework. Okay, this is my finished artwork. I got a free framework. It's cute and fun. First, drawing the opacity of your framework and then create a new layer. Okay, start to draw the face and then make the shape. It's very easy because we have the framework. Next, draw the dress for the girl. It is cover the framework. Okay, I'm actually not good with the human body, but yes, I just need to practice with the framework. Okay, I'm now almost finished her body. I just follow the framework. Okay, next we will make her hair. I use my own brush, my new hair brush. And I will paint the girl's skins. I use watercolor brush. Next, I will paint the girl's dress with pink color. I use crayon brush. And then I put the shadow on the girl's face and her body. I use crayon brush. And then it's done. I added the background.